Hey everybody, Kwaku here. A new video finally. Can you believe that? It has been a long time. It's been a long time since I've uploaded on this channel. Probably a couple months. It might have been 3 months. It's been almost a quarter of a year since I uploaded last. I don't even remember the last video I even uploaded, what it was even about. I could look it up, don't feel like it, to be honest. I just want to reconnect with everybody from this platform, YouTube specifically, because on Twitter I have been slightly active, but not really. I've just kind of stepped away from social media for the past almost quarter of a year now, mainly because my life has gotten very busy and very complex for those past 3 months. It just now calmed down, and one of those reasons is I went back to school again for another bachelor's degree, and that semester just came to an end. Things just got too stressful to be able to create videos twice a week, as well as go to my usual gym workouts 4 or so times a week, on top of go to work 3 to 4 times a week as well, and then go to class and then homework, all that stuff. It just became too much for me, where some days I'd be awake till 1 a.m., 1:30, 2 a.m. Editing, uploading, and so on, to get everything done on time and in a good quality, because I liked quality over the quantity of videos. So it's been a long time. Not sure how many people are going to see this video. I'm sure many of you have kind of dispersed away from the channel, and that is completely fine. It's kind of like 2023. I feel, I don't want to call it a new beginning, but it'll definitely be a breath of fresh air. I can say that second bachelor's degree will be finally over, and hopefully all I'll be doing is doing this, working full-time, and going to the gym like my normal health routine that I always do. Yeah, it's been crazy. I hope everyone's been doing well that was with me on this channel for this past, I don't even know how many months or years. Hope you all are doing well who are watching this now. Only bigger things to come from here. Now, for the channel, I do want to do some updates. I know I said a lot of promises, and I didn't kind of connect with any of those promises. First things first, before I even talk about the channel, the Windows Insider MVP program, I do have my little award behind the camera here that I don't feel like reaching for, but I will say that I made a public statement on Twitter saying that I'd be stepping down from the Windows Insider MVP program, not with any political reason or anything like that, just because I felt that to be a part of a program like that, to be an MVP, you should be consistently doing things related to the Windows Insider program. And of course, me being away for a quarter of a year, I wasn't doing anything with the Windows Insider program or anything at all. So I felt like, let's pass the baton to the next people to do that stuff. It also opens me up to be able to just do more free thinking things that don't break NDAs or anything like that. So you can expect that, I guess, from here going on forward. The other thing too that I wanted to say was that with the channel now, the segue, it's been it's been since 2013. This channel is like the second iteration of an original channel that I had called Next Gen Windows, where I only did app reviews, and that was it. I was a lot younger. I think I was like 17 or 18 years old. Now I'm 29. This channel was an iteration of that I had the feeling that the Microsoft Store, I was the only person, I might still be the only person going in depth on Microsoft based applications, specifically on the Windows Store, which is now called the Microsoft Store, which is where this channel grew from. It grew from doing app reviews, app centric reviews. Obviously I started running out of apps to look at, which kind of discouraged me for one, thus me going into looking at GitHub applications as well, on top of that. And so the effect of doing app reviews specifically in the manner that I do them as if I'm talking to you, you are the camera, and I'm talking to you, just showing you the application. This is what it does, and that's it. Whether there's a problem or not with the application, that is on both of us to hopefully not run into, but I just like to show off cool applications that I think you might find useful or fun to use with. And I wanted to open that up. I said it before, I wanted to open up the channel so that ideas can run free to platforms that can run on, or apps that can run on all platforms, or platform specific apps, not just the Microsoft Store. So with that, I wanted to announce that, as I said before, the channel will be going under a new name, new identity. Don't know what it is yet. I have a general idea of the logo design and everything like that, but probably come January 1st, you'll know that new brand identity. And from there going forward, the videos coming out will be apps across all app platforms, not just Windows, not just Linux, not just anything else. All apps I'll look at. There'll be mobile apps from iOS and Android. There will be, I don't know, Chrome web apps, because you know that's still an app platform in a way, even though they're a little different. There will be apps from car makers, because Tesla and I believe Rivian have their own app stores. I know Tesla for sure does. Peloton, I believe, has their own app store as well. Oculus Rift, well, not Oculus, MetaQuest has their own app platform, and a whole bunch of other things I've really been wanting to dig into, but I felt like I alienated all of those platforms by making this name be Next Gen Windows, where everyone expects Windows everything. And unfortunately, there's a limitation to what you can do when you create that one niche. It's good to have a niche when you're starting a brand, but going forward, and now that I know people are interested in this stuff, I want to break it off and do it on all platforms. So that was basically the main thing I wanted to address. Other than that, the videos going forward will be like normal. It'll still be the concepts. It'll still be occasional news, even though I don't really like to cover news unless I'm super excited for it. I'm not just going to do news for news sake, just for the clicks. Apps, definitely. Hardware as I can get hardware. Currently, money isn't that great right now for me, so I can't get my hands on hardware. There have been a number of things that I've wanted to do on the channel that will definitely be coming when there's more free time finally. And it looks like this turn of the new year, 2023, will be that time for free time. So yeah, like I said, hope you guys are doing well, and I will catch you guys probably in, well, the end of the year is coming up in like 10 days or 11 days as of today, recording this on the 20th of December. So hopefully I catch you guys for the first video, finally, first normal video on the channel starting January 1st. We're not going to keep to the Tuesday-Thursday schedule. We're going to try to keep an upload at least once a week, but we're going to try to hope it gets back to 2 days a week, but not just Tuesday and Thursday. It could be any of those days, but try to expect 2 videos, and it will be on any app review that I feel like is useful to anybody. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, or actually better yet, let me know how you guys have been in the comment section below. Anything new has transpired. I know my buddy Concept Central hit like 50,000 subscribers, which is amazing. I remember when he was at like 5,000 and now he's at 50,000. That was just earlier this year, so that's amazing. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I'll catch you all at the turn of the new year. Happy New Year, y'all.